We thought, now that we have our principles right, so how do we design Varnik in such a way that it is practically logical and easy to manufacture on different scales? The pollution problem must be dealt on a larger scale, so only one single system cannot completely stand against it. Therefore, we designed 3 different models of Varnik: the big setup, car fit model, and bike fit model. Now, the big setup is an installation, a plant-like system, which will be installed in open spaces in societies and residential areas affected by pollution. Let me take you through the working of this model. The big setup is designed to purify air on a larger scale. It will have numerous inlets to allow more air to come through. This air contains dust and particulate matter. In stage 1, this air is passed through a mist sprayer, which sprays very fine water droplets that settle down the dust and larger particles of particulate matter. Collector 1 collects the residue. The moist air now moves to stage 2. It passes through the mesh connected to negative terminal of high voltage. The air particles ionize, and a negative charge is induced on the very fine particles in the air. Now, the positively charged rod attracts these fine particles and the particles settle on it. Thus, now the air has been cleaned from large dust particles as well as from the fine suspended particles. The second design is the car fit model. Now this one is very interesting. It will be set up on top of a car and requires a very less space. The working of this model is based on the same principle that of the big setup. This is how the setup will look. The very basic design, a cuboidal structure with inlet and an outlet. Air will pass through it as the car moves. Dust particles settle on the porous sheet and the negatively charged fine particles settle on the positively charged rod.